How to make Keto Egg Cobb Salad. The ingredients: 3 tablespoon mayonnaise, 3 tablespoon full-fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoon red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, 8 large hard-boiled eggs, chopped, 8 slice cooked bacon, crumbled, half medium avocado, sliced, half cup blue cheese, half cup cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons fresh chives, chopped. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, mix together the mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, and red wine vinegar. Season with salt and pepper. Stir to combine well. 3. In a bowl, mix together the chopped hard-boiled eggs, crumbled bacon, sliced avocados, cherry tomatoes, and blue cheese. 4. Stir the dressing into the salad bowl. 5. Put in a plate, then season with the chopped chives and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Egg Cobb Salad. Each serving comes out to be 491 calories, 39.4 grams fat, 3.3 grams net carbs, and 27.9 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.